Back inside. Get inside. Oh, look at that. That is wild. Oh, he just went all the way through my tongs. Oh my gosh. Nope, don't do it. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. Don't even. You're already too far. Oh my gosh. Oh, take a deep breath, my man. Okay, calm down. Take a chill. Oh, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't you even think about it. Oh, he's seriously so close. Okay, you guys hungry today? Want another? I didn't think they were gonna be that hungry. Apparently they are. Truly, Jay's been feeding too often. Different standards while feeding. For sure. Okay. One more? And all done. It's so cool. I still can't believe he went through my tongue. All the way, it literally pierced it. That's wild. I can't get over that. Okay. And we're done.